City of Lubbock Utilities puts account management tools at your fingertips in one easy-to-use site on your computer, tablet, or mobile device. Start by visiting cityoflubbockutilities.com and click on Pay My Bill. If you previously registered your account with Lubbock Power and Light, you can use the same information to sign in. If you aren't already registered, you can sign up or make a one-time online payment. If you ever have questions about managing your online account, our contact information is easy to find. Once you sign in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can review your current statement due date and balance and pay your bill online. You can also view up to 24 months of use, billing, and payment history. Below that, you'll find options to review your account details. Once you're ready to view and pay your bill, simply set up the payment method you'd like to use and select it from the drop-down menu. You can add as many payment options as you'd like. From there, you can enter the payment amount. Once you've made your payment, you can check its status on your dashboard. You can also set up autopay. You'll have the option to make a recurring payment on the day your bill arrives or up to 20 days before your bill's due date. You can also set up a maximum payment amount. If you previously registered for autopay on your Lubbock Power and Light account, please double-check your information on this page as new options have been added. Underneath autopay on your dashboard, you can set up notifications and reminders, such as a text or email to make sure you don't miss a payment. You can also manage your e-billing options to receive an emailed bill rather than a printed one. If you have multiple accounts with City of Lubbock Utilities, simply select the account you wish to view from the drop-down menu. To add accounts to your dashboard, click on My Online Accounts and enter your information. There are more ways to manage your account by clicking the top left corner icon. The drop-down menu provides you easy access to change your credit or debit card information, stay updated with your latest account notifications, or find out more on how you can participate with Project Helping Hand. Managing your account has never been easier. For more information, visit cityoflubbockutilities.com or call us at 806-775-2509.